20 seconds left. Good.
He's going to win the competition. He's the whole day.
Good. Good. You got 10 seconds. Good. 5, 4,
Why do you say that? Because he's awesome, and I'm not going to be able to do it this weekend.
Run to your hand.
Kong Fest last weekend.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But no, he's a stud, man. He's been training his ass off. He's got this.
Good. You have 15 seconds. Good.